Have you ever considered how a single word can unlock a cascade of fundamental protections in the most dire circumstances? In the complex world of armed conflict, establishing clear definitions is not just an academic exercise, it is a matter of life and death. The definition of a child is absolutely crucial in international humanitarian law because it automatically triggers a comprehensive framework of elevated and non-derogable protections, specifically designed for the most vulnerable individuals caught in armed conflict. This clear legal status ensures that children receive special treatment that adults, even non-combatants, are not necessarily afforded. The core mechanism behind this importance lies in the widely accepted international legal standard that defines a child as any person under the age of 18 years. This is clearly articulated in Article 1 of the Convention on the Rights of the Child, which significantly influences how international humanitarian law, or IHL, approaches children. This age threshold is critical because children are universally recognized as having inherent vulnerabilities due to their physical and psychological immaturity. They are less capable of making informed decisions in conflict zones, more susceptible to exploitation, and more deeply affected by violence and displacement. Therefore, IHL imposes specific obligations on all parties to an armed conflict to ensure their special protection. In practice, this definition translates into several vital safeguards. For instance, children must not be recruited into armed forces or armed groups, nor should they be allowed to participate directly in hostilities. If children are involved in hostilities, even inadvertently, they are still considered to be entitled to special protection rather than being treated as combatants. If a child is detained, they must be separated from adults, except when with their family, and their education and welfare must be prioritized. Additionally, in situations of evacuation or displacement, children are entitled to receive assistance ahead of other groups, reflecting their heightened needs. This clear classification guides humanitarian action, military conduct, and judicial processes, ensuring that the child's best interests are a primary consideration. An often overlooked but fundamental aspect of this definition is the principle of the child's best interests, which underpins many IHL provisions. This principle requires that all actions concerning a child must be undertaken with their highest well-being as the guiding factor, moving beyond mere survival to include aspects like mental health and future development. This legal insistence on a specific age, 18 years, ensures that this profound principle consistently applies, offering a solid legal foundation that cannot be easily disregarded. Ultimately, the precise definition of a child in international humanitarian law serves as a powerful testament to humanity's collective commitment to protect the innocent. By establishing a clear baseline, it ensures that those who are least equipped to defend themselves are afforded maximum legal safeguards, fostering greater accountability and ultimately striving to reduce the long-term human cost of armed conflict for future generations.